Hello and welcome back. Today I am showing you how to make a piggy bank using a plastic water bottle. I'm using spray paint because it's faster to dry and less messy. Drum roll please. It's so shiny. Make a slip for the coin dispensing menu for thingy. Use bottle caps for the eyes and color them. My favorite color is orange, so I'm using orange. Cue the music. It was really hard to color with one hand. I had to turn off the camera because I can't function using one hand. Do you remember the Google song? Only OGs will. Do you want me to sing it?
No.
Okay, I'll sing it. Googlio Google Google. Okay, let's continue. I've stuck the googly eyes on. Using hot glue. They are my cute monsters. Align them, however, and boom, you have the eyes. Next, color the tongue for the monsters. Why is this always hard for me?
Six and a half hours later.
Finally, okay, now color a tongue. And boom, enjoy your whack easy piggy bank. Oh, and you can hammer it and still get your coins.